Hey everyone, doing estimate quotes today. I want to show you guys this tree here. See this tree? Goes on an angle. Look at how this one's split here. Lady here wanted to have a quote. Take this down. The only thing I can see is we'll come in with a boom van on the other side over here, so we can go up on top, go way up, because there's no place to work. No place over here. She's got her garden and stuff, and with the garage right there too. So the only place we have to work is at the neighbors. We'll go talk to the neighbor, make sure it's okay. That gives you an idea. Little quote we're given today for this job. Middle of March and still pretty cold. Snow's not melting that too much to this week so far because it's very cold. We're still right around 0 Celsius, around 30 Fahrenheit. Let's see if we can see that tree here over my shoulder. See that tree right there? So that's what it looks like. All right, off to the next one. All right, everyone. Here's another estimate we're doing. Nobody wants to do this kind of work, so we'll take care of it. See, he's got these hedges all along here. He's got these hedges and he needs to take them out. Only half though, that's the one thing. He only wants half taken out. He wants to keep his side because they like their side. They find that their side looks nice. So in the winter time here, there's a machine that goes back and forth to clean the streets from the town, and it's rubbing up against the branches here. So they want us to come in, so you see I put some paint on everything we're gonna take out here. I'll show you guys over here on the other side what it looks like. See, the client likes the look of this. And they like it in the winter when the snow's on it and it looks good. So we'll trim this up. We'll take out on what's on the other side. So we'll clean this up here so that the machine that goes along here cleaning will be okay. Then after that, he asked us if we would clean up this stuff here. See where I tagged it? We'll clean this stuff all up here. Make that look good. Then out back, he has some more. It's just because it's a place that hasn't been done in a real long time. They don't do, I'd say, a lot of super upkeep here. So it's just to clean it up. So you see all this stuff here. We'll just clean this all up here. Do a nice line. We'll do a nice line with this, make it look good. We're not going to touch that one. That one has two. I put 2 ribbons in it because that's a lilac. You don't want to touch that. Then out back here, we'll trim this stuff up here, make it look good. This little tree here that's laying down, we'll cut it out. As you can see, the upkeep hasn't been done in so long. Look, the wheelbarrow's even, it's so far in the ground that you can see what we're dealing with here. All right, so this is a quote that nobody really wants to do, so we'll take care of it for them. We do a little bit of everything, especially early in the season. Sometimes we'll take some stuff that we don't usually do. So we'll fix this up for them. All right, off to the next one. All right, we just got another quote here. This is just a little thing. One of our regular clients wants us to just cut this tree here. He wants us to just cut over the pool. See, his pool's right here. He just wants us to cut the branches that are over the pool because the stuff's all falling in the pool. Just a little thing, just to fix it up, make it look good. So what we'll do, we'll use one of the big step ladders, a 16-foot step ladder with some trimmers, and we'll go up and we'll just cut those branches up there. Right up there. It's just a little thing, but it's a quote. All jobs is a job. All right, off to the next one. We got another one here. People don't really feel like doing, so we have no problem doing this kind of stuff. So you see this one here. It's a big one here. Let me get it from across the street while there's nobody here. We'll have to move this car that's here, but we'll come in with the boom vans and we'll do that. We'll trim up all the top and then we'll do the sides. This is another one where the town has told the client here that he needs to clean up the side here because there's a sidewalk and there's a machine that goes through here in the winter, and I guess it had problems. So what we'll do is we'll trim that all the way up to the top, and then we'll trim here. He builds this See, this is like a temporary garage that he puts his camper in for the winter. And we'll clean all along up here, all along the roof line. Make that look good. Just to show you guys here what's going on. So this is another one where not many people want to do. You have to be equipped to do stuff like this. Come in here with the boom van, you just stretch out the old boom up over the top here and do that. All right. All right, off to the next one. Quotes, quotes, quotes. They're coming in. Fast and furious, I could say. All right, let's go off to the next one. All right, guys. Doing another estimate right here. You just have to take out some of these trees back here. He wants to take out all these birch trees. He wants to put a hedge in. So I'll just show you guys here quick. So you see this tree right here. He wants to take out, and all this little stuff here, because he wants to put a hedge. He wants to put a hedge all along right here. This is his line. You see this here is the line, and his piece of land stops right here. And then it's a duplex here. So we have to take this one out right here too. So then he'll do hedges, install hedges all along here in between the two duplexes. So all this stuff here, got to take that out. So you give the client a quote, let him know what's going on. You want to know about some hedge planting, so you set that all up for him. All right, just a little job. Still not too warm.